So what are articles? Articles are words used before noun and they modifies noun. As they give more information about nouns, they function as adjectives in the sentence. Articles defines whether a noun is used in specific context or general context. There are three articles in English: a, an, and the. These articles are categorized in different types as per their usage. Let's look into that now. Articles are categorized in two different types based on their usage: definite articles and indefinite articles. Article the comes in the list of definite article as it shows uniqueness or specific thing. Article a and an comes in indefinite article as it doesn't show any uniqueness or specific thing. Instead, it shows that the thing is being said in general. Now, let's look into an example to understand it better. Suppose there is a group of apples in front of you and you are given a choice to eat one of them. If you want to eat any one from it, then what will you say? You will say, I want to eat an apple from the group of apple. Now, suppose you want to eat a specific apple from a group. Let's say the first one. You will say, I want to eat the apple which is at first position from the group of apple. You can notice here that how we use the for pointing out specific apple and an for generalized apple. You can also notice that we have used an and not a for pointing apple in general context. Let's understand why we used an instead of a here. So how to decide when to use a or an? Basically, there are 26 letters in English, out of which 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. The 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U. The rest 21 consonants are B, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. If a word is beginning with a vowel sound, N is used, and if a word is beginning with a consonant sound, A is used. Please note, we have to check the vowel sounds and consonant sounds. Let's look into examples where we use N before a word. An ant, an enemy, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella, an hour. Notice the word hour. As H is silent here, hour starts with a vowel sound. So, N is used before the word hour. Let's look into examples where we use article A before a word. A boy, a woman, a horse, a book. These all starts with a consonant sound. Let's look into words which starts with a vowel letter but the starting sound is of consonant. A European, a university, a 1 rupee note. These all letters starts with a consonant sound, so A is used before these words. That's pretty much it about articles in this video. Let's quickly revise what we learned in this lesson. Firstly, we understood what exactly articles are. Articles are words used before noun and they modify nouns. There are 3 articles in English: a, an, and the. Then we learned the 2 categories in which these 3 articles are divided: definite articles and indefinite articles. The comes in definite article and a and and comes in indefinite article. Finally, we understood when to use a and an before a word. Use a when word starts with a consonant sound and n when word starts with a vowel sound. That's all about articles in this video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or suggestions related to the lesson, please write in the comment section. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. Do share the video so others can learn, and do subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon to get regular updates about the course.